Make the ground shake.
Hello friends, and thanks for your visit to our channel. Here we'll ignite your thoughts or spark your curiosity. Let's come back. Friends, do you ever think that environment shown in the movie 2012? Oh, sorry. I think I need to recall you. It is a sci-fi movie based on the storyline that in 2012 the world will about to end, and we don't know whether we will face it in real life or not. If no, then you should think again because currently we are running in a year having plethoras of problems, putting us in grave danger. So be with us till the end, and we are damn sure that you'll boost your knowledge in current affairs of 2020. Now, the matter we are going to talk about is not new to us. We come to know about it in everyday life. And yes, I'm talking about the pandemic caused by novel coronavirus. The virus was introduced in early December 2019, and that's why its name gets COVID 19. Do you know the first case in India was reported on 38th of January 2020 in Kerala? The patient was a student in Wuhan, China. Then there was a series of lockdowns started consisting of 5 phases. On 24th March, Government of India ordered a nationwide lockdown of 21 days till 14th April. Second phase started from 15th April till 3rd May, lockdown of 19 days. Third phase from 4th May to 17th May, lockdown of 14 days. And the last, that it is the fourth phase, started from 18 May to 31st May, 14 days of lockdown. If you are wondering that till now there are total of 5 phases, then why the series ended with 4th phase? Then let me tell you that the 5th phase is actually an unlock, but still a lockdown for those areas which are containment zones. We know as a student how difficult it is to study on such platforms during online classes. Those having no internet connection or poor connectivity, situation becomes more worse. For those parents having private jobs, are going through severe stages of financial instability, lost their jobs, finished up with their money, or some are forced to move or migrate back to their villages like migrant laborers. There are total of 4,19,090 people died because of coronavirus, and this number is also continuously increasing. Till now, America is leading with highest number of active cases, and India is in top 5. Still, there is no vaccine available. As the situation was already worse, but the next issue made it more worsen. Gas leakage in Visakhapatnam on 7th May. Gas leaked in LG Polymer plant. Due to the lockdown, improper maintenance, storages, and operation errors caused the gas leakage. The hazardous chemical known as styrene gas spread over a radius of 3 km. People having breathing problems and burning sensation in eyes, and total of 12 people died. Government provided 1 crore rupee for the family of deceased and funds for injured. Now we'll tell you about the issue, which are the wandering travelers. Travel from South Africa to Iran, then Yemen, Saudi Arabia to Pakistan, and finally they reach India. Yes, they are the locusts. They act together in form of an enormous swarms. They have threatened the agricultural livelihoods. One swarm of locusts can cover a radius of 1 kilometer area and have 4 to 8 crore locusts. A whole swarm can eat as much food as 35,000 people can eat. The destruction a country currently facing from locust attack was still not enough, that the problems one after the other keeps coming, like the call of the cyclone Amphan, formed on 16th May 2020. It moved with the approx speed 185 km per hour, reached the eastern coast of India on 28th May. It killed 118 people and more than 9,000 people lost their homes. And just after Amphan, the other cyclone was Nisar. If you're thinking this is enough, then you're forgetting about gas leakage in Assam on 27th May. The company was operated by Oil India Limited. The leaking petroleum gas took the lives of 2 firefighters, loss of land, livelihood, even flora and fauna. The gas was leaking in the area, broke into a fire. 7,000 villagers were rescued and taken to 12 relief camps. We all remember the days of our childhood. Whenever we have taken a matchbox as a playful thing, our parents always said of one quote, don't play with fire or it will play with your life. So I think some of you have seen this quote becoming a reality. But now, we all should aware of that what a fire can do. A live example, Australian bushfire. As of 9 March 2020, the fire burnt an estimated of 18.6 million hectares, destroyed 5,900 buildings, and killed at least 34 people. Also, it killed 1 billion animals. Now you might be wondering how this fire came to an existence. So let us tell you, this is all because of extreme heat at the time of December, droughts, and strong winds. We all are aware of the World War I, the Great Depression, World War II, atomic bombing, and its impact on the world in the form of poverty, famine, unemployment, and radiation. We would not let our world to suffer against such horrific war. But now, the association of General Qasem Soleimani of Iran by the United States on 3rd January led the tension of World War III. We'll tell you the information in a chronological order of the scenario. On January 3rd, General Qasem Soleimani of Iran was killed. On January 5th, President Donald Trump of United States warned that he will unleash $2 trillion worth of new military equipment if Iran targets US bases. Without hesitation, Iranian leaders also stepped out of the nuclear deal. As so, on January 8th, Iran launched more than a dozen ballistic missiles at US forces in Iraq. This led the call for the World War III, but thank God it didn't happen. A glass of water can give you life, but a flash of water can take your life. That's why we are telling you about devastating flood in Jakarta, the capital of Indonesia, which suffered a flash flood, killing of 66 people and displaced 60,000. At 6 January 2020, officials reported the death of 66 people due to landslide, hypothermia, drowning, and electrocution. Earthquake, which in a second can put millions of people to death. That's why we are telling you about earthquake which came in Turkey. On 24th of January, a 6.7 magnitude scale earthquake hit Turkey. Due to this, 41 people were killed and 1,600 were injured. There was a serious damage within 14 km of the epicenter, including 19 towns and over 200 villages. Just in 2 cities, 87 multi-storied buildings collapsed. This all happens in just 40 seconds of earthquake. As we know that only half the year has passed, but the world suffered a lot due to the problems that we have already told you. So we should not compromise to say that 2020 a devil's year or cursed. Friends, that's wrap up to our video. I hope we have ignited your thoughts. If you really learned something new, then you can smash the like button. And do you want such informative videos? Then you can subscribe our channel.